Welcome everyone at the third week of the Mimaki Print Festival. This week we would like to explain you more about 3D. We will show you two models, the 3D GD1800 and the 3D UG553. Let's have a look at our new machine and I will introduce to you our 3D application specialist, Jordi Drieman. So this is it, our new 3D printer. As you can see, this is also printed on the machine, but it can print a lot more higher.
The build area of this 3D printer is 1.4 by 1.1 by 1.8 meters. The 3D GD1800 is having two print heads. This machine is capable of printing two objects at the same time. To summarize the key specifications of the 3D GD1800, please look over here.
We are here at the 3D UG553 full color printer. Besides that the machine can print up to 10 million colors, it can print photorealistic, detailed 3D objects, as you can see in this sample.
This printer is also capable of printing clear material, and this is the first printer on the world that's having color management. So what you see on your PC is what you get from this 3D printer.
To summarize, please find the specs of the machine. I hope you enjoyed this 3D tour. See you next week, and in the meantime enjoy our virtual print festival.